Hello class, today we'll be learning about data analyzing by Carina Martinez, chapter 10, 5th grade. The things that we're going to go over is data analyzing. The student applies mathematical process standards to solve problems by collecting, organizing, displaying, and interpreting data. The student is expected to represent data on a frequently table, dot plot, or stem and leaf plot, marked with whole numbers and fractions, and solve 1 and 2-step problems using data in whole numbers, decimals, and fractions form in a frequently table, dot plot, or stem and leaf plot. The vocabulary words that we're going to learn today will be the medium, range, mode, mean. The medium is the place where we place the numbers in a order and we select the middle number. The range is the difference between the lowest and highest values. The mode is the number which appears most often in a set of numbers, and the mean is the number of average of the numbers. We find this by adding all the numbers and then dividing it by how many numbers there are. Here's an example of the stem and leaf plot. We have a picture where we put all the numbers in order, and then we separated them by putting them in the stem and leaf plot. We put the 1 and the 5 to represent number 15, 1 and 6 to represent 16, 2 and 1 to represent 21, and so forth. The medium here will be 24.5 because that's the middle numbers. Since 23 and 26 is in the middle, we have to add them together and then divide them by 2. The range is the difference between the largest number and the lowest number, which is 41 and 15, which will be 26. And the mode, since there's 2 of them that are repeated the same amount, it will be 23 and 26. The mean will be 25.3 because we add all the numbers and then divide it by how many we have. Okay, then we have the bar graph. We have a picture here where it says nicest fruit, and it has the number of people, and it's divided between apple, orange, banana, kiwi fruit, blueberry, and grapes. We first put the data that we already know separate, and then we could put them in order so we could tell the difference and how to find the median, the range, and the mean. The median on this problem, it will be 27.5, the range is 35, and the mean is 24.6. For this example, I didn't include the mode because there isn't a number that is repeated more than once. For this example, we have the pictograph where we have apples that represent a number of how many there are. For a whole apple, there's 10 apples, and for the half of it, it's 5 apples. We do the same process. We separate the data, and we could arrange them from the lowest to the highest, and we could find the median, the range, and the mean. For this example, I didn't put the mode as well because there isn't a number that's repeated 2 times. But the median could be found easily since there's only 5 numbers and the middle number is 30. The range from the lowest number and the highest number will be 20, and the mean will be 30 because we added them together and divided them by 5. Okay, so we have this example where we're going to create a stem and leaf plot with the following information. There's a group of people who volunteer at a food bank, and their ages are 13, 15, 16, 25, 26, 27, 27, 27, 32, 33, 35, 38, 45, 46, 49, and 51. Our job is to create the stem and leaf plot and then find the medium, range, mode, and the mean. We will first arrange the data that we already know. So here I created the stem and leaf plot and I included the number 0 even though we don't have anything in that numeration. But then we have a 1 which will represent the 13, both then the 15, the 16, the 25, the 26, and then since we have 3 27s, we put all of them together. And we have 32, 33, 35, 38, 45, 46, and 49, and 51. Now we'll find the medium. We will do this by sorting the data. The middle number will be 27, and we could count this by finding the middle number. And the range, we'll just subtract 51 from 13 since that's the difference, and that will be 38. The mode is the number that appears the most, and in this case it will be the 27. The mean, we'll find it by adding all the numbers together and then dividing it by how many there are. Here our total is 518, and then we have to divide it by 17, which will equal 30.47. Okay, a quick reminder is that we could use several of the other graphs and plots that we could use. It just depends on the information that we are looking for. And this will be the end of our class for today. Thank you.